On today's show, we're using a 7.5-foot leader attached to a clear intermediate sinking line. Using a triple surgeon's knot, we attached approximately 18 inches of 8.2-pound fluorocarbon tippet. When attaching the fly, we chose a non-slip loop knot as this gives the fly added action during the retrieve. The takes were quite vicious and the weeds were thick, so we used the heaviest tippet we could get away with without spooking the fish.
It does pay to count down. I mean, if you start at maybe 10,000, 1,000, 2, and you work your way till you find the area that the fish are in that zone, and you'd be surprised you go back, there'll be more.
Well, when you think about it, you know, we get so excited and we don't let our flies sink long enough, and these lines sink at 2 inches per second. Well, that's going to take 6 seconds to go a foot.
Exactly.
So it's, you know, that seems like it's like standing in a lineup. It seems to take forever. And whether you're chironomid fishing with long lines and floating lines rather, and long leaders, or using sinking lines like we are today, you got to let them sink and count, whether you count mentally or use your watch, but be very systematic. Know the sink rates of your lines so you can get the flies down there and let them sink long enough. Little tip for sinking line techniques. Sinking line diameters are tend to be finer, especially the faster the sink rates, and they can be prone to tangling. At times that's just the nature of the line, but in the boat here I've got a little wash basket, and just line the bottom of that basket with water, a thin skim coating, and that'll keep the fly line from tangling. A wet towel works good too. Scooting through the water.
Got him.
Oh, there you go. Oh, nice fish, Bob.
We got him on that
nice
black
fish.
leech.
Yeah, you can see that right in the jaws. Let me get my fly out of there. Oh, he's going. Maybe we get a double hitter. Nice fish.
We let it go down again. He was definitely on that shelf over there.
Yep.
Oh,
I've got the net over here. We can pull him right over. Oh.
Don't do it to me. Oh, maybe on this side.
Yep.
Anchor's been my demise. We
There
got
we
him.
Go. We got him.
Okay, Finger Lake, Namatsu Valley.
Him over right over here.
Look at this.
You can show the folks at home what you've got there. Look at that fish.
Exciting.
That is just a stunning,
Let me get him out of the water.
stunning
for a
rainbow.
second.
Get him in the water again. Look at that.
Gonna...
Whoa!
He didn't need to be revived.
He's pretty energetic, I think.
Definitely was on the black leech, and we let it go down 20 seconds and started to strip. Thank you, Mr. Phil.
Thank you.
That was a good one. Thank you.
Yeah.